Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to protect or lock a particular section in your notes on the Microsoft OneNote application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the notebooks icon down below, which is the first option, and select a notebook from your list. Tap on it. After that, you should select a section that you would like to lock, so click on it. Tap on the edit button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on the section itself and tap on the last icon down below and click on protect this section. Now you need to enter a password for your section. So come up with something that you can remember, and after that click on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen. So now, as you can see, you have added a password to this section. So in order to unlock it, you need to type in your password, or you can either unlock it with your fingerprint. You can turn on this function by tapping on this button. So as you can see, your Touch ID will be used to unlock this section on this device. It cannot be used to change or remove the password for this protected section, so be aware of that. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.